Welcome to ascending-DC channel. We are an AWS certified partner to provide cloud consulting and technical support to clients who are looking for cloud solutions to tackle the challenge in their day-to-day operations. This video is one of the many short videos we are producing. In each of them, we're going to demo and explain when used for AWS practice that can be used to improve the efficiency and accuracy of your work. All these tricks have been proved effective in our clients' success. If you are a project manager, DevOps, architect, software engineer, or just looking for useful cloud practice, this video is made for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss steps of building, testing, deploying AWS Lambda through SAM, which is a recommended way by AWS. SAM stands for AWS Serverless Application Model, which is an open source framework for building serverless applications. It provides shorthand syntax to express functions, APIs, database, and event source mapping. SAM can be used in testing, building, and deployment stage. Let's have E to demonstrate step-by-step how to use SAM command line to achieve those stages.
Hello, everyone. This is E speaking. In SAM deployment process, the first step is to build. Both Lambda functions and dependencies need to be built by SAM. Alternatively, if the dependencies are too large, because Lambda function package size has a limitation, you can put them into Lambda layers for all functions to use. To do the SAM build, what we need to do is one single command line, SAM build. And after this, we can see all dependencies will be installed with Lambda function. And you can comprise this folder and then upload it to S3 to deploy it in Lambda functions. The second step is testing. Users can run the test locally or in CI/CD process. And SAM supports both scenarios. As a powerful service utility, SAM is able to simulate all types of events to test the Lambda function locally. In our case, SAM will simulate a EC2 instant state change notification event. We can use SAM local invoke function name with this command to invoke this Lambda function locally. And we can see the result, it works. The third step is packaging. In this stage, template YAML will be converted into packaged YAML for deployment. Template YAML is a core file that organizes serverless application resources. However, it must be converted into another form before it can be deployed in the AWS console. We can run SAM package command line with given S3 bucket name and output template file name. After this command line, template YAML will be inverted into packaged YAML. Packaged YAML will eventually contain critical resources identities such as S3 bucket name that can be deployed specifically to our AWS console account. The final step is deployment. SAM can simply achieve that by one single command line. This stack, named test, will be created in AWS console with Lambda functions, Lambda layers, IAM roles, and event mappings according to your configuration automatically. And as you can see, This will be our final result. In this CloudFormation stack, which is created by packaged.YAML, it will create API gateway, Lambda function, IAM role, and Lambda layer automatically.
Okay, thank you, Eve, for showing everything. If you are unfamiliar with building Lambda layers for Lambda function, please click below description for other ascending 1-minute video. Thank you.
Please leave your comments, questions, critiques to us so we know you are watching. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ascending DC, and stay tuned for our next video. See you next week.